So hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a little fall decorating. You guys already see I kind of spruced up our bedroom, so it's going to be time to do the living, dining, and our little bar area. So fall time, Christmas time are some of my favorite time, so I love to decorate. I love to switch things up during these times. And my children are 2 and 4 and they're not really into scary stuff, so I wanted my fall theme to be more like pumpkin-esque, something nice and subtle. Pumpkin, farmhouse pumpkin. So the first thing I did was switch out the pillowcases from the ones that we had before and got me some farmhouse pumpkin theme pillowcases, and the ones that I got are from Amazon. It is black and white stripe, which is definitely giving farmhouse. It says happy fall and one says hello pumpkin, and it has some nice fall leaves on 2 of them. And then my throw blanket is from Walmart.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the middle of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chill made the right. The gas in the middle of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chill made the right. The gas in the middle of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chill made the right. The gas in the middle of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chill made the right. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside. Then
To decorate the console in the living room area, I got me a nice fall bouquet, and that is from Walmart, and I just put it there because our console table is looking a bit bare, and we normally don't keep anything there because our kids are gonna mess with it and mess it up. But I got these because it is a nice bouquet and majority of the stuff are fake, and if my kids like take them out, I can stick them back in. I like them to be hands-on and play with stuff, so I don't put anything that I don't want them to ruin in their way. Next, I got me a 3 stack of books, and it just says home sweet home on it. And then I put my nice woven pumpkin on top. The pumpkin is from Amazon and the books are, no, the pumpkin is from Target and the books are from Amazon. And I will say I thought the books were going to be bigger, but these books are super tiny, so be careful. Then I got a nice bowl, and I went to Michael's and I saw these small little pumpkin that has some glitter and some don't have glitter. It's just nice textured different color pumpkins, and I just threw those in the bowl. And then I add 2 decorative balls from a kit that I got from Amazon, and that's what I did with the console table. Won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this. Normally we don't have anything on there, so I wanted to spruce it up. And then next, you guys can see I have a nice basket. The basket is always there. That's where we put our pillows in if somebody want to sit on the couch and the pillows are in the way. And then I got a nice fake plant. I've wanted this fake plant for a long time and I finally got it. It's from Amazon and it actually looks super duper real. And then I switched out this basket that I have. I've had this woven basket for a while, and I used to put my trash, not my trash, my bag, shopping bags in there. So I replaced that bag and I put the basket, I put my plant in that basket. So the basket that I put my pillows in, and the basket, the woven basket for my fake plant, and just the woven pumpkin, just tied everything together, and it looks amazing, and it's giving luxury farmhouse.
Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed?
Not to mention the leaves that are in my nice fall bouquet match the leaves that are on my pillowcase, so I feel like that was a job well done. And then for our little bar area, normally I have fresh flowers up here, and what you guys see, I have some peely mumps, and those are from Target. I got those from Target. And then the big black pumpkin that's in the center, I like having candy in my house, so all the kids, if they want something sweet to eat, they can get it. So I put a whole bunch of candy in that pumpkin, and I like it because you can just take off the lid and grab what you need and go. And then I switched out my candle that on my tray. I have a serving tray. The serving tray is from Amazon, and this is just something that's always there. I keep my remotes and stuff on there, but I like to mix it up and add stuff to it, especially when I'm redecorating. So I add a nice little orange pumpkin. This is glass, and I got it from the dollar store. It was $1. And then I switched out my candle that's normally there, and I switched it out for a nice kind of reddish, a nice fall smelling candle, and that is from Walmart, and I've had it for 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. And I love it because once I light it, it makes the whole house smell amazing because it's super strong, which is why I like to use it in such a big area, and because of our ceilings are so high, so it's very hard to get candles to actually smell up the house, but this one actually does, and it smells amazing. It smells like fall, and I love it. So
supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
So I think I'm gonna put it at the back because it's taller. Let's see how it looks. Yep, I think I like that look better. I think I like it better like that. Pretty.
Supposed to feel.
So that's it for that area. Then I'm gonna go into the dining room area, and I got this bouquet from Amazon, and honestly I think I could have done a better job doing my own bouquets. Normally I go into Michael's or the dollar store or wherever and make my own bouquets based on the time of year, but I seen it on Amazon. I was like, it looks amazing, so I went and got it. You can make this bouquet. It's not worth it to me personally, but if you still want it, I'll link it. And that's what we did there. And then so the way that these came packaged, they came in this small box, and these are some really tall flowers. And the way I got them to the leaves to look good again is I use my steamers to steam the leaves off the fake plants. So if you have fake plants and the leaves are bent, or they don't look nice and they don't look fresh, they don't look believable, use a steamer and steam them and go over them, and they will look as good as new. And as you guys can see in the back, that's my own Christmas bouquet that I made last year, which is why I said I could have made my own bouquet that looks better. But that's neither here nor there. We got it and we're keeping it. And if you guys want it, I'll still leave it linked below.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
I added some nice drapes. I feel like these curtains are amazing. It makes in here look amazing, and it's velvet and it's giving luxury. We really haven't done anything with our dining room area because for me personally, I want a nice picnic dining room table, a big one, because this dining room is huge and I can't seem to find one. So if you guys know where any is, please send it to me.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
These flowers are, these are flowers. These
drapes. These curtains are some of the best curtains I've owned up to date. And every time I order something on Amazon, especially curtains, and I feel like, yo, these are way too expensive, I'm always shocked and surprised at the quality. This curtain is giving luxury. Okay, I can only imagine if my right dining room table was in here and all the chairs were nice and how it would look. It would look amazing. And as far as decor and stuff on the wall, that's not my expertise. That's Babe's expertise. When he gets around to putting up the decor on the wall, he gets around to doing it. But I'm so sorry I didn't give you guys like a good, nice, slow-mo overview of the dining area. I got on the phone with my grand aunt and got caught up and it completely slipped my mind.
So, and a quick look at little update. I got this laundry basket from Amazon because the little thing that I just put the thing that I just put my flowers in used to be under here that I kept my bags in, but it was too small. That little small thing was getting filled up. So I got this and it looked like it's going to fit all my trash bags. So we get a whole bunch of trash bags, stick them underneath the sink for when we need to take out trash. And I love it because it's gray and it goes with the rest of the decor, and as you guys can see, it still is organized. It's still organized and neat, so I love that for me, and I love that I'm going to be able to stuff more garbage bags in here. So before I bounce, I want to show you, So before I bounce, I want to show you guys actually what I'm going to put outside. You guys are never going to see the outside of my house, but this is actually from the dollar store. I'm gonna hang it on the door. And then these are some fake pumpkins I'm gonna put at the front door. I'm not putting them outside now because we're about to get a hurricane, so I will do that after we have this hurricane. And I'm also going to put real pumpkins. I also got these. This is a pumpkin cutter set from the dollar store. I'm gonna have the kids do their own pumpkin and I'm gonna put lights in them and stuff. So yeah, that was the last thing I wanted to add. That's it for our fall little redecorating video. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.